Welcome to DMUIC. I'm the head of art design and media. My name's Zoe van der Veld. So we have an IYZ art and design, which is an international year zero, and we in art and design, and we also have an international year zero in media, and we have an international incorporated masters, which is a pre-masters course for art and design. And on this course, we will teach various traditional and digital skills. Traditional skills, so 2D, 3D techniques, you might do some life drawing, and you'll learn various mediums, and you will do projects in your own subject area, whether it's architecture, fashion, graphic design, footwear, design crafts, whatever you do, you'll get to hone all your skills for your subject area in preparation for DMU. And then on media, we will do film studies, and you'll actually get a chance to make your own film, and you will also explore podcasting, photography. We do a photography portfolio, and you'll get to explore all those real life equipment, and also the Adobe suite. We do lots of work on Photoshop, Lightroom, and all of that kind of thing. And if you're on art and design, we also do the Adobe suite for fashion design, architecture, and we do SketchUp for AutoCAD. Before you begin at DMUIC, if you're on art and design, whether you're International Incorporated Masters or IYZ, you will need to send me a portfolio of work so that I can see what skills you already have. In that portfolio, what I'm looking for is, in the International Year Zero, I'm looking for potential. So I don't expect you to have all of the skills already. I'm looking for what you can do with 2D, 3D in art and design, so using different mediums than what you've used before. So I like a wide variety of work you've done before, and then something in the subject area you'd like to study. So if you wanted to study architectural interior design, I'd hope for some drawings in architectural interior design, or some ideas or some concept that you've been looking at. And that's what I'd hope for in a portfolio. And obviously in International Incorporated Masters, I'd expect a higher level of work, and I'd expect a bigger project that you've probably already done in your degree, or something to show the work you've done before, so I've got an idea of what kind of student you're going to be and your potential for becoming a master's student at DMU. And that's what I'm looking for in a portfolio. To prepare for this course, I think what you have to do is remember that the idea of this course is that you're here 9 to 5, you've got studio space if you're an art and design student, and so you're going to have a studio space to work in, and you just need to put discipline into it and hard work, and you'll get on absolutely fine with the course. Attend your lesson, learn new skills, and you'll do fine. If you're an art and design student, it's a really good idea to come to DMUIC, because DMU is one of the best universities for art and design courses. They're one of the few places in the country that do contour fashion. For art and design specialist workshops that you, as a DMUIC student, you will have access to. So you'll have access to wood cutting, laser cutting, 3D printing, and you'll have access to all of these things even before you actually enter DMU. So already, when you arrive here, you're a DMU student, you have access to all the facilities in our BJP building, which is new and lovely and has loads of facilities. And that's what DMU is are really good at, art and design.